it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a simple DIY to make a tray for my hot glue gun. A while back I made one and it broke, so I need to make a new one. Before I show you what I do, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'm going to be using this as, I guess, a business card holder, a small glass cutting board, and I had two more of these old frames from the Dollar Tree, and I used these last time, but I used the glass that was here, and that's what happened was my hot glue gun got stuck, and when I lifted it, it shattered. So that's why I thought using one of these more sturdy cutting boards would be a better option this time. And then I have my super glue right here and my hot glue gun. So we're gonna get started. A little bit of nail polish remover and a little bit of elbow grease will remove the words if you don't want them. If you want them and don't mind, that's another thing. And you could always add your own words as well. So the writing is now off, and I probably am just going to leave one of the glasses on, and I'm gonna remove the other one because I'm gonna end up putting this in between. So when you put it upside down, you're just gonna use a knife to loosen up some of the glue that's setting the glass in place until you can pop it on out gently. Just using some pliers just to grab onto the glue. Get some of that off. It's almost out. And there we have it. Just one frame with no glass, and the other frame you could just leave the glass. So now I'm gonna take the glass, the one with the glass, and I'm gonna take my glass cutting board. I'm gonna glue it on top with some hot glue and my combination of the Fix Oil, or you could use your E6000. I just don't have any. And then I'm going to place this one on top. And this is where I will be using to catch the drips of glue. So I'm gonna get started with that. And you guys could just sit back and watch my process. I like to put this glue on first because it doesn't dry too fast, and the hot glue does dry real fast, so I always do this one first, and I'm doing a very generous amount, and whatever seeps out we could clean up at the end, or I might even decorate the tray up at the end. I haven't quite decided. Alright, I'm just holding it tightly in place now, and I'm going to rest some books on top of here, and I'm going to let it and decorate it and finish up the final touches. So I decided I wanted to paint this now, so I've taped it up on both sides. You're really not gonna see too much in here, so you don't have to go crazy. And I picked up here, this is called Dupli Color, and this is a metal cast type of primer, and it's a base coat, so that I could prime it and then paint it. And then I'm going to paint it with this color coat. This is a, metal-y looking colored purple. This is meant for cars. Picked these both up at AutoZone, and I thought this would look really cool, so we're going to give it a shot. That's one coat of primer. So I decided I wanted to paint this now, so I've taped it up on both sides. You're really not gonna see too much in here, so you don't have to go crazy. And I picked up here, this is called Dupli Color, and this is a metal cast type of primer, and it's a base coat, so that I could prime it and then paint it. And then I'm gonna paint it with this color coat. This is a, metal-y looking colored purple. This is meant for cars. Picked these both up at AutoZone, And I thought this would look really cool, so we're gonna give it a shot. That's one coat of primer. So I am back here with my painted glue tray, and the color's not exactly like the cap, but I'm pretty happy with it anyways. I like it, and I'll show it to you a little better, but I wanted to show you my idea was now to put some marbles here and stack them up like a wall so I could have like a spare place for my glue sticks. So I put that like that just to show you guys. And I'm gonna work on that off the camera. I also wanted to show you my glue gun is gonna sit just like so. So what I wanted to do, I haven't been able to find a new one of these, so I cleaned it up the best I could from my glue tray that broke. So that's to catch the drips. It's gonna get dirty again, so it doesn't matter. I sprayed this as well. This is the business card holder. And I did spray a little piece of rubbering of shelf liner. So it would fit just like so, and then I'm gonna build my wall. So this is how it came out, guys, on the sides. And I also did pick up this so I could trim off and hide the crease in the middle that holds everything together. I didn't put the purple on the bottom. You're not gonna see that. Guys, this is how the tray came out. I did the bling going all the way around the whole tray. And I have my little holder for the glue gun and the drip catcher. And then if you could see, I built I did 3 layers of the gems on top of each other to build a wall so I easily can access extra glue sticks. So that's how it looks when the glue gun is resting in place, and it goes on and off real simple. And yeah, guys, this is my glue tray. All right, guys, that is it for today. That is my glue gun tray. I am thrilled with how it came out. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for my glue gun. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I love to hear your feedback and interact with you guys. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.